Hey, good evening. Map here, Map Investments, bringing you another video here on the stock market and stocks trending, stock earnings, trades, and a little bit of everything. So basically, the regular session today, we had the Dow Jones down 96 points, the S&P down 23 points, NASDAQ down 214 points, small caps down 26 points, and the volatility down a little bit, but it's still over 30. Um, Oil right now is trading at 109. Um, Actually, we can just go to the futures. I'll go straight to the futures. Um, there's some news in the after hours. Um, that Ukrainian officials say nuclear power plant secure after Russian attacked it, and there were reports that the Russians were shooting at the firefighters, and all this headline caused the futures to slide around this turmoil and this war that's going on over there with Russia and Ukraine. Taking a look here at the futures. So we have, let's take a look at the dollar. We had a dollar up almost at 98. It was over 98 tonight. We have the 10-year down pretty significantly, meaning risk is coming off because of the news regarding the war. Um, let's see if there's any more headlines here. We have Toyota Motor extends losses as unit Hino Motors is being probed for falsifying exhaust data. Um, Ukraine's plant spokesman says Russian troops are shelling the plant with Europe's largest nuclear power plant. This news might be old. Let me open up a new page because I've had my TOS open for a while. Global news. No, that's pretty recent. Um, so yeah, that's pretty. The significant news after hours is regarding that power plant. It's a nuclear plant, and I was reading that it could be 10 times as worse if they were to blow it up than Chernobyl. I was reading here earlier while I was on my daughter's soccer practice, and everybody's banning um, Russia. You know, Cisco, Intel, you name it, Apple. Pretty interesting. So interest rates are lower because bonds are higher. Foreign currencies, I really don't have anything in foreign currencies. 6A doesn't have, actually, it does have options, but I don't think they're tradable here in Thinkorswim. I think only you could trade 6B and 6E here on the Ameritrade brokerage site. Um, Australian dollar is trading at IV rank of 20, pound IV rank of 22, loonies actually has high IV rank 43, euro 72, pretty high, trading at a buck 10, yen 24 low, Brazilian real doesn't have any options, Mexican peso doesn't have any options, New Zealand dollar doesn't have any options. Swiss franc, no options. And the African rand, no options. And these are probably, they're not even liquid. So I don't even mess with that. We got the digital gold Bitcoin down 610 to 41,470. Uh, Brent crude at a buck 12. Crude oil at a buck 09. I did some trades in the oil, um, and I currently have a couple shorts on here on the micros, MCL. Um, I have two contracts. Um, So this morning it hit like one, I want to say it hit 116. I saw it in the overnight. 116.57. This is the 5-day chart. 116.57. It sold off to like 106 and change, or even under 106 in the last 5 days. But today it sold under 106, and we bounced back up, and now we're at 109.65, up $2 on the oil. S&Ps are down 41. When the news came out, they got hit hard, and now we're trading here. I picked up one of these at 42.99. We're at 43.18. Um, I don't know. I could take my $100 profit maybe, or I could just hold it. We'll see. I'm watching it right now as I do the video. I picked up all of them, to be honest with you, because I'm really not long the market, and I'm really not doing much of my 401k. So it was pretty down, and I scooped them up. I scooped up the small caps under 2,000. Um, the Nasdaq at 13,829, up $1.20, and Dow Jones at 33.3, and we've come back off the lows. Um, Maybe I should sell them and take some profits, because the VIX is high right now. The VIX is at 31.40, up $1.50. Um, feeders, feeder cattle, 156. Live cattle, 138. Hogs, 105. So your meats are pretty steady there. Um, gold. Gold had a nice day today, and it's at 1950 almost. It hit 1954, and it was trading strongly today, and it's trading up in the after hours as well. So that's pretty good. Natural gas, 480. Platinum and palladium are up nicely. Silver is up over 25 nicely. We talked about the VIX. All the grains are up. Wheat is lock limit, so we'll see when they eventually open what happens. They've been lock limit like the past 2 days. I'm taking some pain there, but I would assume that we're gonna revert to the mean at some point. We'll see. Um, and that's pretty much for the futures. Um, Not really gonna get into the cryptos because I keep saying that. Oh, they actually have a micro ether. Here's the micro ether trading at 27.23. I wonder if this is tradable. Oh, it is tradable. So I just did a live trade. It is tradable. Didn't take up a lot of buying power. Well, I just picked up some ether at 27.28. Interesting. I wonder what the volume on this product is. 4158 contracts. So they did bring this to the table. It only takes $177 in margin requirement. Let's take a look at the Analyze tab on this and see how this plays out. So I picked it up at 27.28. So if it goes to 3K, let's see how much I make. So not a lot. This thing doesn't move at all. So you gotta pick up a lot of contracts, and the fee's probably not worth it. So if I go up 200, 300 points, basically you only make $27. That stinks. That's horrible. Ugh, not good. And the commission's probably expensive on that trade. It's probably at least $1.25, I would assume. I don't even know. Let me see if they have the TD Ameritrade schedule fee here. Ameritrade. No, login, no, fees. Pricing. Where's the pricing? I'm just curious because I just did a trade on it. So futures. So yeah, 225 per contract. So you see, that's not worth it at all. No good. No bueno. No bueno. Investment products. Futures. Usually have the, oh, here they go. Crypto. Ether. Yeah. Oh, it's this one right here. Micro Ether. Maybe I should have went with the bigger one. I wonder if they trade the big one here too. Do they have it here? Oh, they do. ETH. I wonder what the buying power on this one is. That would have been a better one. Let me see. No, thank you. $87,000. F that. Forget that one. All right. So, well, I did a trade with you guys. I'm in the the micro ether. I'm down 50 cents. That's funny. All right. So, all right, that's that. We covered futures. We covered cryptos. I see coin. I'll get into some of the trades. I just want to see what the coin market, the coin gecko. I gotta get my candies. I do it on my phone. For those that you know me, um, the market is down 4.7, and we're at 1.91 trillion. Bitcoin dominance 41, Ether up 17. There are 13,000 cryptocurrencies basically, and over 570 exchanges. In the last 24 hours, everything's pretty much red. Cosmos is up. OKB is up. Ether Classic at 29, up a little bit. Osmos, I never heard of that. 3. Can't even keep track of these things anymore. Waves, never even heard of these things. 13. Wow, that's a lot of new coins. It's crazy. Like I've said, um, just concentrate on the big ones. Bitcoin, Ether. Solana's a good one. It's big. Polkadot, Avalanche, Shiba. I have. Where's Crypto.com? I wonder what Crypto.com has fallen to. I know I have Crypto.com. Oh, what number is Crypto.com? Did I miss it? It wasn't the top here, top 20 before. Oh, right here. But they put it, it's not Chronos. Is this crypto? Hmm. I want to say it's that one. Interesting. I don't know. Has to be that one. I have some Decentraland. Look at Axie Infinity, $50, incredible. Sandbox, some Shiba, and that's pretty much the ones I have on the crypto stuff. Um, bar chart. Um, these were the most active options today. Obviously, everything's red. The market was down. Cleveland Cliffs. I closed the trade out. Made nice profit on Cleveland Cliffs. I have United States Steel on a leap. Uh, that's weird. The Nasdaq's only down 143, but the S&P's down 40. Crazy. Here's my leap in United Steel. I have the 40 call 2 years out, and we're at 31 almost. Hit 31 almost today, the high. Um, and I'm up nicely, up 170%. This thing cost me $2.45. It's worth 662 right now. And I closed out Cliffs for a nice profit. Freeport McMoran, another one I have a leap on. which I've been talking about. It's like a copper kind of play. I have a leap on it, which I'm up 225%. 270 I'm up. I paid for this leap $1.20. I got the 65 2 years, a year out. A year out. Chevron up. Best Buy reported a good quarter, and this is a follow-up video. Actually, I'm on a winning streak. This is my second video. It's late, but I'm doing the video as promised. And I think got a shout out today from Mitchell. Thank you, Mitchell. Um, so yeah, two days in a row. If I do 3 days in a row, we got a winning streak. That's for Major League Baseball. Good movie. Um, so yeah, Best Buy. I did a couple broken wing butterflies on this account, and so I should make an easy 48 bucks here because I sold this butterfly here. I did a couple, so I did the. So this is what I did. I'll show you, for example, if you guys are on Thinkorswim, so you guys can learn. So we're getting some more selling pressure. It doesn't want to give up. Let me see if there's any more headlines. No, no headlines. So if you want to do a broken wing butterfly, for example, I did this one here. So what you do is you go right here to, depending what side you want to do, put or call. This one I did on the put side. So you right click here and you're gonna buy butterfly, right? And what I did was I basically 91.80, and then what you do here is you skip, and that breaks the wing, and you can do it for a credit. So I did these two for, I'm going to account statement, and I can show you, and that's 45 bucks that I make there. Today I had 37 trades today, and I'll get into some of my earnings trades. I'm just doing now the video here on the trades that I did that I promised you that I'll follow up that I reported this morning. So I did this one for a 15-cent credit and a 26-cent credit. So that's my profit here of 48.50 on that trade. So that was Best Buy. Let's continue going down the most actives. I did a Costco trade, which reported this afternoon. I'll show you the trade. Vale, I have a leap in Vale, which is doing very, very well. Remember, I'm a big believer in the inflation stagflation story. So I've been buying positions out in time via leaps and stuff. Um, wow, look at these big jumps, huge jumps. The Dow Jones was under 300, and now it's back up. So we could pull this up. You can see the graph, probably a big jump on here. You see, I mean, it's just the volatility is insane. Let me pull up the 1 minute chart. Look at that. So we had a dip here while I was doing the video, boom, and back up. Nuts. Very, very choppy. It's very choppy. Look at the S&P. It went boom, back up. So very, very choppy. Excellent trading um, environment. Oh, Valley. Let me show you Valley. I did that one in this account. Oh, sorry. Oops. Oh, maybe it was in this account. What account is it in? This one. Yeah, I got a couple of these 25s, 2 years out, 84 cents. They're both over $1. So I got 123% return on this Valley miner. They're huge. All right, what else? DWAC is Trump's social media. Mosaic, I have positions in Mosaic. I'm up. That's a fertilizer. Kroger reported a strong quarter. I lost on this trade. Whatever, it was a small trade. Can't win them all. What else? Oil up. Oh yeah. I've been talking about, if you guys follow me on BTU, coal prices are higher, doing very well on this trade. I have this in my other. I gotta find what I got. So many accounts. I got 3 accounts. So on BTU, I got a couple things going on in BTU. I have I have a zebra, and that one's up $810 with 42 days to go. This zebra cost me. Wow, the zebra's pretty good. Didn't even know it was that much. Wow. Where is it? Where is this order? Here it is. I paid $485 for the zebra. $485. That 485 is worth $12.95 right now because the stock has gone up big time. It's at 23 bucks. Coal prices are going through the roof because of everything that's going on. Um, and I also did one out in time, which I bought the 15 and sold the 35, 2 years out. So this one's doing good. Peabody Energy, they do coal. Um, I was down today, but I've had a good run, and everything, it can't be in a straight line. Everything, in short order, you gotta have some pullbacks, just part of the game. Barrick Gold, I like. Good miner, up today. Splunk, I did an earnings trade on Splunk, which I think I showed you guys in yesterday's video. That one looks like it's gonna go out as a winner. Did I close it? At 25 bucks. But if you put a lot of these on, like 25, this one, Best Buy, 45, that's 60, 70. You do a couple more, it adds up in a week. But not every week there's earnings. Now we're in the earnings season. Tech, I have Tech. It's a copper play like Freeport McMoran, doing good on Tech. So it just seems like it's all metals and mining and energy. Here's Tech. I'm up 88%, 292 on Tech. I have the 50 call 2 years on, things at 40 bucks already. So this is a copper play. It's nice. Um, what else was I gonna talk about? All right, so we had some earnings today. This guy does a nice job here, and we had these earnings. Well, let's go back. Sorry. Oh, what happened here? Sorry about that. Let's close out a couple screens here. My fan is kicking on this computer. Stock tweets. All right. Did I lose internet? Please tell me I didn't. No, I'm still there. Okay. The video's getting long, but a lot of good information here for you guys. So we're gonna go to earnings. This guy does a little good job with his little earning whispers. Kudos to this guy. Um, so I talked about Best Buy. I made money there. I lost on Kroger. Billy, we'll see what happens with Billy. I think I'm right there fighting to make money. Let me see something. I think it was here. Yeah, Billy. I sold the 29.20, so I'm down 57 bucks. I have a day to go, so we'll see. I'll show you how I'll manage this trade. I think Billy's undervalued. It's a China name. That's the only thing I don't like, but we'll see what happens. I'll give you a follow up on that one. Kroger is a loss. I'm not gonna mess with Kroger. I like Kroger. I didn't think it was gonna keep going up. I got buried in this one, so I'll lose 60 bucks on this one. Best Buy, I won. BJ's, I did nice on BJ's. BJ's, I did a killing. I shorted BJ's and they were down huge. BJ's was down $8. BJ's, I made $100 on BJ's. I sold the 70-75 call credit spread for $1.10, and I bought it back for 10 cents this morning, and I netted $100 on that trade. I think that's it. Yep, didn't do nothing else here. I made money on Best Buy, Kroger's a loss probably. Billy, I have to watch it tomorrow. BJ's made money, and that was it. And then in the morning, no, that was, I didn't do Snowflake. I did Okta. Splunk was a winner. I did Okta. Coupon's gonna be a winner. Vive might be a loser, but I have 15 days. I have 15 days on all of these, and I close NTNX for a profit. And these three I have to the end of March. Splunk is gonna be a winner. Okta, I don't know. Maybe I'll roll it. I'll see what it does tomorrow. After hours today, I played Marvell, Costco, Avago, Gap, Smith and Wesson, EST, and Eagle. I played all of these. Oh, and Funko. So I'll wrap it up with this, and then we'll call it a day. Um, so Marvel Technology, I did Iron Condor. Um, I did several Iron Condors. I did two of them. And the stock is trading pretty range bound at 65. We'll see how it opens. Here's the Analyze tab. This is how the trade looks, pretty much. Should benefit $127 if it stays within pretty much 57 bucks and 70 bucks, more or less. It's a range bound trade. So that was that one. I did Costco, and I don't even know where these stocks are at now. So Costco, I did 570.75. I just got back from soccer. So I needed above 507 on the Analyze tab. Here's Costco. If it stays between this range, I should make 105. I'll probably try and just buy this back for half tomorrow. I'm not even going to play with it because Costco can move. It's a $500+ stock. You know what I'm saying? So that's Costco. Avago always gets me. I did an Iron Condor on them. I need it under 610, and here's the Iron Condor in Avago. If it stays within 610, I can make 125 if it stays in this range. So I'll probably try and buy that back. I did good today after hours. Gap, I think is undervalued. Um, I don't know if Guru Focus works for me here. On my phone, it does. Here, I think they try and make me like become a member. But I was doing some homework the other day, and Gap said it was significantly undervalued. You see, they keep asking me all this crap. Significantly undervalued the other day when I looked at it. Um, they were saying a good value for the stock was about uh, on my phone, on my mobile app is a lot user friendly than this. I think it said good fair value 22 bucks. So the stock was trading at 13 when I sold the put. I just sold a straight out put in Gap, and I didn't care because they pay a 4% dividend. So I didn't give a crap if I owned this thing. I sold 42 day out, 13 put for $1.09, and this thing is trading. I sold the 13. It's trading at 15 plus, and they did a good quarter. It went well up in after hours. It hit 16.86 in after hours. So I think Gap is undervalued. It pays a nice dividend. So I like that stock, and the trade worked out so far. It's worked out so far. Smith and Wesson, I did get hit at Smith and Wesson, and it did say it's undervalued here in Guru Focus. It says it's modestly undervalued. The stock got hit under after hours, but I think I have a couple days. I have 15 days on this one. It's at 1436, so it's not looking good. I think I collected a buck. What did I collect at Smith and Wesson today? $1.05. So my break even. So basically, my break even is $1.05 minus 17.50. Let's call it a dollar. 16.50 is my break even. But I still got 15 days, so we'll see what happens on that one. And I think that was the only one that I had that hurt me. ESTC. I sold the put credit spread and ESTC. I had the 70.65, and right now we're trading at 80. So pretty decent. I think I collected a pretty good credit, $1.15. So that's something that I might try and buy back for half. Eagle Shipping, I don't know what that did. Eagle Shipping. I don't think it had any movement in the after hour. It's taking long. Oh, it looks like it went down. All right, we'll see. What did I do in them? I did a calendar spread. So what I did was I sold the 65 and I bought the 65 42 days out to lower my cost base. I think I did it for like $1.05. $1.05. Yeah, I did it for $1.05. And Funko. Funko, I think I'm gonna win. I did a put credit spread in Funko, and it was up to 20. I sold the this video is probably a little bit long, but good stuff here, man. You learn iron condors, broken wing butterfly, put credit spread. Look, my computer's a little slow. I probably need to reboot it, but I'm not gonna do that in the middle of a video because then I lose everything. You know what I mean? Come on. Am I connected to the internet? Did I lose internet? No, I still got the internet. Come on, computer. Let me close some. Let me close some windows. Wow, it's acting up. Very, very slow. Oh yeah, I don't think I have internet. It says reconnecting. That'll do it. Hope that don't mess up my video. Wow, half an hour, guys. Come on, internet. What the hell is going on here? Well, Funko is at 2240. I'll tell you right now what I connected. I'm looking at my mobile app in the meantime. I lost power here today too. No, can't even get anything. I don't know if I should disconnect and try and connect again. Oh, this stinks. Come on, internet. Connect. Let's see if it connects. This thing has a fan that sounds like an airplane. No, it's not connecting. Well, I'm not gonna bog you down with my connection problem. This was my last trade, Funko. Um, it looks like gonna be a winner. I'll give you a follow-up video tomorrow on it, and the ones that I did and manage and how I manage them tomorrow, because tomorrow some expire. So as you can see, I'm having technical difficulties. Comcast is crapping out on me here, and hopefully I can get the internet back up so I can upload this video. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for the comments. Share the video, and you all have a good night and stay safe. Bye.